Welcome back, y'all, to another fast meal prep hack. So my name's Corinne Sutton, and today we're going to prepare a vegan omelet. All right, this is going to be a really fast and easy breakfast to make, and this is a great alternative when it comes to regular eggs. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So when it comes to our ingredients, we have about 30 grams of red bell pepper. All right, great source of vitamin C, especially if you're trying to boost up that immune system during these times. Then we have some shiitake mushrooms, about 30 grams of that. Great source of vitamin D, especially if you're in a place where you can't get that sun. Then we have our kale, all right, 30 grams of this. Great source of vitamin C, K, iron, just a great superfood to have. Then we have some chopped up garlic. We have 30 grams of white onions, all right, great source of for respiratory health. Also, we have some field roast Frankfurters, okay? This is really good, great source of protein, and also a great alternative meat source. And then for our alternative eggs, we are going to use Just Egg, all right? It looks like egg yolk, I know, y'all, but I'm telling you, this is 100% vegan. This is what we're using. Just egg, made from plants, all right? You can get this at any local grocery store. And the same thing when it comes down to our alternative cheese. We're using smoked Gouda by Follow Your Heart. Again, looks like real cheese, but it's not. We're using this one right here. All right, as you see, dairy-free cheese alternative, all right, soy-free, casein-free, and lactose-free. So that means it's 100% vegan, all right? And then we're going to also use some extra olive oil. So with that said, let's go ahead and start cooking. So we're going to go ahead and spray our pans. We're going to first spray our iron skillet, and then our non-stick. We're going to spray that too. Just a little bit of oil. First thing you want to do is grab our Just Egg, and you're going to pour it right in the middle, just like that. And you're going to let this baby cook. Now we're going to saute all our vegetables. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and grab our white onions, put that into the pan, our garlic. And the great thing about sauteing is that when you saute, it brings out a lot of flavor from the vegetables, okay? So we're going to saute all of this. And while I'm sauteing this, over on this side, we're going to keep it on one side and just let it all bubble up and kind of cook through completely on one side. So we're just going to wait for that. We're going to put up the heat just a tad bit to speed that up. All right. But we're just going to saute this, all right? We want the onions. I pay more attention to the onions. We want that to be like a golden brownish color. And then with the kale, you want it like a dark green, like a rich dark green. Okay, that's when you know it's like completely cooked and sauteed. All right, so this is the tricky part here. So what you want to do is kind of get this up, okay, without tearing it. So we got it nice and well, and now we're going to go ahead and add our toppings. Before we add the toppings, let's add our smoked Gouda, and you want to put it right here, and this is all going to melt the time we flip it. And then you want to go ahead and build the omelet. Put it right in the middle. And I'm telling you guys, this is super high in protein, believe it or not. I think you're looking at a good, like somewhere around 40 to 50 grams of protein. So this is a lot more than your normal egg. And this is 100% vegan, and they said you can't get get protein on a vegan diet. Please. So this is what you're going to do is go ahead and press it. And remember, if you're using a non-stick skillet, which I highly recommend when doing this omelet, use a plastic utensil, okay? So you don't scratch up the pan, because if you scratch up the pan with a metal utensil, it's going to ruin it. All right, so you definitely don't want to do that. Definitely use plastic. And that's it. This is it. All right. All right, guys, so this is how you make it. Let's go ahead and try it out. So good. Wow. Really good. A little hot, but it's really good. Well, with that said, you guys, this is how you make a vegan omelet. Great alternative when it comes to eggs. And with that said, if you like this video, please like, comment, share with your friends. Also tag your friends in the comment section as well. Plus, again, this is a great high protein breakfast. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. My name's Corinne Sutton. Once again, enjoy.